Are you feeling stuck today? Feeling like home ownership is just not a reality and not something that you're ever going to be able to achieve? Well, in this video, I want to share with you guys 3 tips to turn that dream into a reality. So tip number 1, shop around for lenders. Maybe you have a bad taste in your mouth from the one time that you spoke to a lender and they turned you down and just said you weren't qualified. Well, good news. There are actually lots of different types of lenders. Some have more strict guidelines than others, so it's really important to do your shopping and understand what value different types of lending institutions can provide you. This could be a way to save you thousands of dollars. So tip number 2, consider an ARM, which is an adjustable rate mortgage. So an ARM can start with a lower interest rate than a fixed rate mortgage. This will make your monthly payments much more affordable at first. So with an ARM, you can benefit from these lower rates initially, and if rates do drop in the future, you can also benefit by having it refinanced. Now with an adjustable rate mortgage, just make sure that you do understand that that rate can change over time and just be aware of the risks associated with that. And then tip number 3, you can actually buy down your rate with discount points. Discount points allow you to pay a little upfront to then have a lower interest rate on your loan. This strategy can make a significant difference over the life of this loan, especially if you plan on staying in this home for a long term, for several years. The only advice I have on this is just to make sure you do the math and identify where that break-even point is to determine whether or not this could be a good strategy. Navigating these higher interest rates right now can be tricky, but it does not need to be a deal breaker. At the end of the day, following tips like these is just one step towards making a more educated decision and being in a better position for when that day comes. If you have more tips just like these I shared today, make sure you guys go to my website. It's at adamsellsdenver.com.